How to remove insights from Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you have to do is just go to your Instagram application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Then the option of insights, so just go to the profile and you can see the professional dashboard. This is because you can see the insights only because that you have created a business account or a professional account. Now if you do not want any insights or you want to remove the insights from the Instagram, all you have to do is change your account type from professional to personal account. Now for that, what you have to do is just go to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then scroll down and you can see the option of created tools and controls over here. Tap on that. Now scroll down and you can see the option of switch account type. So just tap on that and you can just switch to personal account over here, and then your insights will be removed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.